So here we are. Today's that day you've been waiting for. Today you're going to get to find out how you, yes you, can be the lucky winner of that cookbook. Let's go for a quick walk and we'll get right to the details. Let's go. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, buddy. So right now we're down here by the Big Sioux River, which I'll show you just exactly how cold it is around here right now. How do you like that? No motorized vehicles beyond this point, and no tobacco use during youth activities. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Come on, let's go. Uh-oh, he smells another puppy. See, we'll take a walk down here. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Believe it or not, down here, that right there is the Big Sioux River. And it is all frozen over. And this river is running usually all the time. So that was a really nice walk, but it's getting dark and it's getting really super cold out here. So let's get inside and I will tell you all about how you can win that cookbook. All right, let's go. All right, let's get right to it. This has been a long overdue video and I'm so sorry about that. So today I'm going to tell you how you can win this cookbook, Vegan Cooking for Carnivores. So this cookbook has over 125 recipes full of tasty, really great ideas. So this is a really great addition to anyone's cookbook recipe collection. This is an awesome cookbook in so many different ways. And I am so happy to be able to bring this to you. This gentleman who does this cookbook has several different cookbooks, and he is an incredible chef. So, this is how you can go about winning this cookbook. See, I just want to tell you all thank you so much for all your support for my videos that I'm putting out. It's been absolutely wonderful. I've enjoyed it immensely. Thank you so much. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for. How you can win this cookbook. So, what I want you to do is, okay, yes, I'm sorry, it's going to be a little bit of work. Not much, but a little bit. What I would like you to do is I would like you to go back to the video that I first announced this giveaway on. I believe it has a hat with 2019 on the thumbnail. Check it and see. I'll leave the link down below in this video. Look in the info section and all you'll have to do is click on it. It'll take you to the video. And what I would like you to do is down in the comment section, I want you, first you have to be a subscriber to this channel, okay? That's like really super important. You have to be a subscriber to my channel. And now what I want you to do in that video that I link down below is I want you to leave a comment. And in that comment, all you have to say is, I'm in. That's it. Go back to that video that I first announced the giveaway on, leave a comment down below that says, I'm in. That's all you have to do. And that will make you eligible to win this cookbook. That'll let me know both A, that you're a subscriber to this channel, and B, that you really do want this cookbook. And let me tell you what, you really do. This cookbook is truly, truly amazing. Even if you're not vegan, this has a tremendous amount of healthy recipes in it. You can go ahead and get better ideas on how to make something that you normally would make, or maybe make, that is a little bit more healthy. No, let me rephrase that. A lot more healthier than maybe what you were alternatively making. It is truly my pleasure to be able to do this giveaway, and in the future I plan on doing a lot more giveaways. They're probably going to be multi-mixed. They'll be anywhere from, probably van stuff to vegan supplies, vegan cookbooks, other vegan products, or other cooking products for that matter. So anyway, that predominantly takes care of just exactly how you can win this cookbook. Alright, we're going to wrap up this video today. I don't know what it's like where you're at right now, but I gotta tell you, where I am here in South Dakota, man, I'm telling you, it's just not gonna warm up. There doesn't look like there's an end in sight to this weather being cold. I so can't wait till spring. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be able to get out a lot more. We're gonna be able to do a lot more things. We're gonna do some outdoor cooking, and there's gonna be a lot more about the van coming up real soon. So anyway, let's end this little video here. I want to truly thank you all for being a part of my channel, being a part of the community. You all of you are so awesome. I want to thank you for that. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'm sorry that it didn't come out a little bit sooner. Some things in life sometimes just kind of like put the brakes on and I gotta get this all done, but here it is. Good luck. I can't wait to announce a winner. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that yet. I could do it on a live video. One way or another, you will see just exactly how the winner got picked. So I want you all to have a great day. Remember, there is one thing that is truly contagious that you do want to pass along. Make sure you're giving a smile. When you smile, you make somebody else smile. And that's one of the best gifts you can give in any given day, both to yourself and to whoever's watching or looking on. Y'all have a great day, and good luck in the drawing to win this cookbook. I look forward to finding out who the winner is going to be, and I look forward to sending it out to you. So until I see you again, good luck on the drawing. I wish I could give one to all of you, but since I only have one, there will be more giveaways that are coming up. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot more that I'm going to do for this community. I want to thank you for tuning in today, and until I see you again, you all have a great day. Later.